What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dudley. If you don't know, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, man. I'm about to change your life. I add value to you guys' life by providing you with recipes, fun, twisty vlogs, etc., health, consciousness, all that good stuff. For the loyal subs, what's happening, man? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the channel, man. I love you guys. But yo, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I meditate. I'm gonna tell you why I meditate, and then I'm gonna let you guys know how meditation has affected my life and has elevated my life. First things first, why do I meditate? Where do I even begin? If you guys already have been subscribed to my channel, I've shared a lot of intimate things about myself with you guys. I told you where I come from and all that stuff. I told you I had a speech impediment where I was struggling to articulate myself and I couldn't really say things. A little background story on me. Back when I was 5 years old, right? My mother used to enter me into these kids talent shows, and basically it would be a whole bunch of kids on stage doing their little shows and acts and all that stuff in New York City in front of a crowd of like 4,000, right? And my mom would throw me on stage and I literally used to be terrified, right? So she would do all that and all these other kids would be out on the stage performing, doing a thing, getting applauded, and then whenever it was my turn to go on stage, I would freeze up and I would shake like this and to start crying. Those situations caused me to be very shy, timid, and introverted for the better half of 15 years of my life, probably a little bit longer than that. I was terrified of speaking to people. I had a horrible stutter growing up. I just couldn't get words out, and it stemmed from that situation. So that, amongst other societal stresses I had growing up in Queens, New York, you feel me, like growing up around violence, etc., stuff like that, I was always on edge. I was always anxious. I was always nervous and timid. Not to mention I hoop, so the stresses of playing in front of thousands of people and stuff like that, and like traveling and you know, like all that, those stresses had me in a place where I was just so stressed out, timid, anxious, nauseous, all the above. Check. Feel me? So ever since I found out about meditation, it's been able to ease my mind, calm me, relieve stress, and I've just been able to operate more efficiently as an athlete and an overall person. It has really changed my life and changed how I look at things, because I've always grew up in a very religious household. My mother's a pastor, my uncle's a pastor. We went to church 7 days a week, but it wasn't until I started figuring out who I was as a spiritual being and meditating that I really start to, you know, just find myself as an individual sentient being. And since I started meditating, I've been more calm, I've been having more fruit in my life, I've been getting blessed more, and it's just been really good for me. And this is why I encourage so many people to do it, because through, you know, these days with society and especially social media and all the stuff that we're susceptible to seeing, you can try to live your life 100 miles per hour, but when you are able to just be still with yourself, get to know yourself as an individual, center your mind, and realize who you are and what you want to be, that's beautiful. It really is beautiful. So that's why I meditate. It keeps me calm, it keeps me efficient, it allows me to take control of my life. It's time to take a little subscribe break. For those of you who are new and haven't subscribed, go ahead, man. Don't look at me like that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Yeah, I'm still here. Hit the button. All right, now back to the video. So the way that I meditate when I wake up is, the first thing I do is, one, I give thanks. I talked about this briefly in some other videos. I said the easiest way to defeat depression is gratitude. So the first thing I do is I express my gratitude to God. You could express gratitude to whatever you believe in, you feel me? So I give gratitude. I'm thankful to be alive and thankful to be breathing another day. And then I go into a 5-minute manifestation session, you could say. So basically, I set my timer on my phone for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I speak things into existence. I say things to myself like, blessings are coming into my life every single day. I am getting better today. Stuff like that. I just speak positive things and positive vibrations into my life. I will be productive today. I am getting one step closer to my goal every single day. Blessings are coming into my life. I am thankful for all my loved ones, and I am fair to all my loved ones. I add value to people's lives, and in return, value gets added to mine. I say things like, I'm blessed to have my family, or I'm becoming financially free, I'm becoming mentally free, stuff like that. I have put myself in a position to now where I'm very conscious of what I'm saying. Guys, do you know how much power you hold with your tongue? Do you know how much power you hold with the things that you say? You can literally move mountains with what you say, but you have to believe in yourself. So I stopped saying things like I wish, or when or I want, because when you're saying those things, you're sending out a signal to the universe saying that you're not happy, you're not content, and that you yearn for something. So I say things like I have, or the most powerful phrase in the world, I am. So I say things like I am becoming a better friend, a better son, a better cousin, a better man. I say things like that. I am becoming a better businessman. I am becoming a healthier person, a more compassionate person. I speak these things into my life and into existence, and I've been getting nothing but blessings. There have been times where I literally didn't have money for rent. And this is recently, like 2 months ago. I didn't have money for rent, but I just had faith, and I was just meditating and speaking things into existence like I'm financially stable or blessed, and literally money would pop up in my bank account like that. Whether that would be from a subscriber sending me money through Cash App, or like getting blessed with some modeling gig from some random company contacting me out of nowhere. Literally, this is so powerful, guys, and I strongly encourage you guys to do this. Take out 5 minutes out of your day, be grateful, and manifest your dreams. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Now, this is the kind of meditation that I do at night when I'm trying to relax, unwind, and get ready for bed. This is what really brings my mind to a stillness. So when I am getting ready to go to sleep, this is when I calm my mind, I clear my mind of any worries or troubles I might have, and I just take sometimes anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes, and I just sit down, I clear my mind, I picture a lake surrounding both of my eyes to the other side of my head. Any thought that I have that's coming in, and trust me guys, the thoughts will come in, I submerge those thoughts into the lake, and I find myself being still and calm, and I focus on my breathing. Guys, shallow breathing is not good for you. Shallow breathing causes anxiety amongst other issues. And this is an example of what I do every night. Just play, but sometimes you're really asked to project though, for real. In society, with all the stuff that we're dealing with, we have become shallow breathers. So I focus on taking deep breaths, and then I breathe out. I count to 4 as I'm inhaling. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I hold it for 4, and then I breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Controlled. I control my breathing, and this right here has brought down my stress levels tremendously. I'm gonna keep it 1000 with y'all, yo. I used to be a hothead, you feel me? Like, I grew up in Queens, I grew up in the hood, whatever. But I don't let my environment dictate the kind of man that I become. I've been in trouble with the law, I've been in trouble with females, all types of stuff. But through the process of maturing and growing up as a man and finding meditation, it has transformed my life. I'm so much more calm now. Did that make sense? I'm much more calm now, man. Calm, cool, collected. Everything for me now, I just take it one day at a time, and I have faith, man. And through meditation, I've been able to become just a calm individual. Like, things don't get to me like they used to. This has completely changed my life. Meditation has an antidepressant effect on your life. Try it out. So guys, those are the 2 types of meditation that I practice every single day. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys meditate or are interested in meditation, and just contact me via email. I'll link it down below in the description box, man. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I do to help my life just be more fruitful, man. I don't have as many negative thoughts since I meditate, and my mind doesn't run around like it used to. I have stillness and tranquility, and I think you can't put a price on that, man. So make sure to like this video, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload. And if you haven't already, man, make sure to go, check out my Instagram page. Make sure to follow me there, man, where I upload content a lot on my fashion stuff, food, and just my day-to-day living, man. I love you guys. And stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next video. We out.